In this video, I will show you how you can set up your AirTag with your iPad. Now to do that, first of all, after you unbox your AirTag, now on your iPad, just open Settings, and under Settings, just tap on your Apple ID. From here, just tap on Find My, and tap on Find My iPad. From here, just make sure that Find My iPad is turned on. Also enable the toggle for Find My Network and Send Lost Location. After you turn on all these three options, then just go back one step and ensure that the toggle for Share My Location is turned on. After that, just go to your home screen and open the Find My app. From here, just tap on Items, then tap on Add Item. Select AirTag, and over here a pop-up should appear on the screen. If you cannot see the pop-up on the screen, just bring your AirTag close to your iPad, then tap on Add Item and select AirTag. Now after you see the pop-up, now just tap on Connect. Now from here, just select for what you want to use your AirTag. If you want to set a custom name, just tap on Custom Name and tap on Continue. Now over here, just create a name for your AirTag. Now after you give a name to your AirTag, then tap on Continue. Now from here, you can set an emoji for your AirTag. Now after you select an emoji, then tap on Continue and select Agree. From here, just tap on Done. And after you do that, you'll pair your AirTag with your iPad. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.